So now let's see how we can use the autofill feature inside of Google Chrome. So here you can see that I have a page with a form here. So if I were to go over here, nothing happens as of now. But I'm going to type in, let's say, for example, tutor, just like this. And in the last name, I'm going to type in tube. And let's say in the country, I'm going to choose Australia. I'm going to write something and click on submit. So this is a dummy page, so you don't actually see anything right here. So I'm going to go back right here and refresh this out. So now if I were to click this, you can see that there is a drop down. So since I actually entered out the name as tutor just a while ago, now it remembers that out. So if you were to click this, you can see that you can select that and you can see the last name tube right here. And this is a subject, so this is not actually saved out. Similarly, I can write in another thing. Let's say, for example, this is a dummy name right here, just like this. And this is tuber, let's say, for example, and click on submit. I can go back, refresh it. And if I were to click now, you can see that I have two options. So as I add in more names, just like this, for example, I'm going to say Robert right here. So I'm just going to say Bert right here. I'm going to choose a country, add in something, go back, refresh. And now you can see that you have more option. And that is how you can use the autofill feature. So if you enter same information time and again, as long as the format of the form is same, even if you go on to other forms, you still have these options and you can use the autofill feature. So that is how you can use the autofill feature inside of Google Chrome. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.